Namaste. Let's practice together to quick energize and rebalancing yourself. This is simple things. We will inhale here, tapping below the collarbone and twisting right, exhaling. Inhaling center, exhaling, twisting and tapping. Okay, looking over left shoulder. After that, we are folding forward. That's work on your hamstring. So this breathing technique is so good for your lungs, improve your respiratory system, improve the health of your spine, and really good if you have emotional blockage or too much thinking is going on. Also, if you feel a little bit weak and you don't have energy, a little bit lazy, you do this one and it's amazing. We are going to do practice together and we are doing the 3 rounds, okay? So let's grounding your feet, open your arms, inhale and start with your right side, exhaling. Now inhale, hold breath in, come into center, lifting chin. And exhale, bring arms down. Now again, big inhale, raise your arms up, lift looking up. Exhaling, folding forward with soften, bending knees. Now inhale, look forward. Exhale, a little bit more, folding forward, hold your big toes or just ankle. Shoulders relax, deeper, happier breathing. Feel you are sending lots of fresh blood to your brain to refreshing. You opening your hamstring. Is good for your legs, good for your back. One more breath here. Next, inhale, let's slowly raise your hands, raise your back, lifting, slightly back bend, and exhale, bring arms down. Let's do same routine again. Inhale, open arms, start with your right side. Inhale, come into center, hold breath in. And exhale, bring arms down, a little bit more exhale. Now inhale, raise your arms up, looking up, slightly back bend. Exhaling, folding forward. Inhale, look forward, feet parallel. Exhale, folding forward, hold big toes or ankle, whatever is available. Touching chin to the throat, shoulders away from your ear, and breathe deeper and happier. Next, inhale, look forward, slightly bend knees, raise your arms and lift. Slightly back bend, we lift. Exhale, bring arms down. Beautiful. Last round. This is just quick practice. If you want a little bit more longer practice, you can go to the akhandayogaonline.com. There is many yoga classes will help you your well-being. Let's start. Inhale, open arms. Exhaling your right. Inhale, come into center. Inhale, hold breath in. And exhale. Bring arms down. Happy big inhale. Raise arms, lifting. Back bend, we lift. Exhaling forward. Inhale, looking forward. Big inhale. Exhale, little bit more empty. Folding forward, little bit deeper. Breathing into your hamstring. Make exhale longer. Beautiful. Next, inhale, slightly bend knees, raise your arms, lifting, looking up. And exhale, bring arms down. Let's just eyes closed, palm facing forward, touch index finger with your thumb. Soft breathing. Gentle smile. And just feel. Rebalancing yourself, grounding, stable, quiet, but same time internal energize. Your well-being is your birthright. It's your responsibility to take care of it. Big smile, proud yourself. Namaste, and have a beautiful, happy day. Hari Om.
Namaste. You're very welcome to Akhanda Yoga YouTube channel. I'm very proud of you, your deepening yoga practice. Well-being is your birthright. I really like you to join free online platform. There is a beginner to advanced hundreds of yoga videos. Kundalini Yoga, Raj Yoga, Yoga Nidra, Pranayam, many videos are there. I'm really looking forward to practice with you there. Hari Om.